out of town the last 5 days. Let's open up some PR that I received. Got a package in from Revive. I love their foaming cleanser. This is fun. From Tower 28. This is Break Me. Their new daily balancing gel cleanser. Next up we have Rare Beauty. I ran out of this body lotion. I love it so much. It's their Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. Also got 2 shades of the pressed finishing powder. This one I did open up. I thought it was super cool, from Bobble Bar. And it's like a customized frame that has our last name on it, the man's, and a picture in it. And the way it opens up is just like this. So it's so easy to replace, and it's just like a magnet. Leah hooked it up. Okay, so I have not tried the Base Face Milk Lightweight Moisturizer that everybody loves. I'm excited because they sent the full range of their lip liner, and I've just seen so many good things. This one is from Dibs. They launched their Baked Bronzers, available in 4 shades. Here's one of them. Look how pretty this is in shade Caramel Cappuccino. Let's open one more. Oh no! It cracked. This one is Spiced Chai, and I'm so sad because this one is probably the shade that I would probably use. This one is Espresso Martini. Another one that's cracked. Can you see it? This is Vanilla Latte. Lawless is hooking it up with some summer staples. Look how pretty this color is. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Pixie sent over a cleansing oil and an After Sun sheet mask. Urban Decay sent over 2 shades of their waterproof foundation. Also the All Nighter Extra Glow. Okay, I love the All Nighter setting spray. I'm super excited to try the Extra Glow one. Too Faced sent over Better Than Sex mascara, the waterproof one, and one of their plumping lip glosses. Solara Sun Care sent over some SPF. Wait, this is nice. Oh no, it's not. I thought this was like a sunscreen mist, and boy was I wrong. I don't know if it's advertised as something that can go over your makeup, but it did just blend right in, so that's nice. Tubby Todd celebrating 10 years. This is the only body wash my kids use. If you have kiddos with like sensitive skin or eczema, their all over ointment is so good. This packaging from Bobbi Brown. This is so cute. Weightless Skin Foundation in 3 shades. I cannot wait to try this out. Here's the last package we're gonna open for now. This is from Tarte. Hey, this is so nice. Purple Gazelles. This is for their friends and family sale products to go with it. Wait, last one. This is from NARS. Their new Be Explicit lipstick. Here's some of the shades. I can already tell I'm gonna really like this one, and this one is in shade Exposed. We're just gonna try this one out. Definitely has a satin finish. One swipe goes a long way. It's really pretty. I didn't even need to put a lip liner on for this. It's just like your lips, but better. That's all we have time for today. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.